Hey guys, welcome back to Ingenious TechHub channel. So in this video, we will discuss what is object-oriented programming concept in Java. So in object-oriented programming concept, we have a object, we have a class, encapsulation, abstraction, inheritance, and polymorphism. We will discuss all this topic in the depth. So what is object? Okay, so I'll give you guys one real-time example. So suppose this is your Amazon application, right? What is Amazon? Amazon is also a object only. Amazon is object. How to define this object? Understood, right? So what is, how to define this real world object into the programming world? How you can define? So when you are writing class and Amazon, so what is Amazon? Amazon is your real world object. When you are defining class and class name is nothing but it is a real world object. This all the things I have already discussed. If you are watching my series, I think in the starting video I have already discussed this all the things. Just I am going to repeat with respect to object oriented programming concept. Okay, so when you are writing class and class name is Amazon. So how the Java will understand this real world object into the programming world? So this class keyword will convert real world object into the programming world. Means this class is Amazon type. Understood, right? So we have a reference type and primitive type. So when you are writing int a equal to 10, right? So what is int? Int will define the integer type. Like that, class, when you are writing the class and class name, this real world we are going to convert into the programming world. So why we need that? This application is automated. Understood, right? So if you want to automate your business, right, why you have to automate your business? Because you want to increase your revenue. Understood, right? Just I'm talking about of some business level things. Okay, so this real world, what this real world business we are going to automate. Understood, right? When automation will come, where you have to do the programming, and this real world business how to automate, right? This real world business, this real world object we are going to convert into the programming world. That is what we have a class and object. Understood, right? Hope you are able to understand. But coming session we will also implement with the Java programming. So we have another concept, it's called encapsulation. Encapsulation means we are providing the security of the data. Understood, right? Suppose your Amazon account I am not able to access unless you will share your credential. Understood, right? First of all, you have to become an authorized person to access your account, right? So here this is called encapsulation. How to achieve the encapsulation in the Java? So we have a private keyword. Okay, we can define variable as a private, and we have a concept called setter and getter. Okay, so next is we have abstraction. So when you will go for the Amazon and if you want to buy some product over there, right? So what is the information you have, what the product you want to buy, and you will add in the cart and you will do the some payment, right? Then your order is delivered in your home. Understood, right? But how this Amazon backend it is working, we don't know. Only we need necessary information to the users. That is called abstraction. But how to implement the abstraction? By using the interface, abstract class, and abstract method. Coming session we will discuss all the topic one by one with programming example. Okay, what is the inheritance? So you can see Amazon is also the layer of the pages. So if we will go in the Amazon, we have a layer of the pages. Understood, right? So suppose even if you will go for the Java also, right? If you have a multiple classes, but how to execute the other classes also, and some of the classes are very common. Like if you will go in the Selenium, in the framework, we have some base class. That is, your execution will start from the base class, right? So when you will run your test runner class, then it will go for your base class. How we can provide the relationship between the one class to another class, that is called inheritance. How to achieve the inheritance in Java? We have an extend keyword and implements keyword. So we will give you all the practical in the coming session. What is polymorphism in Java? So one person having the multiple behavior. Okay, this is called polymorphism. But how to achieve the polymorphism in Java? So I'll give you one example of polymorphism, guys. So you can see one person. E-commerce is your one types. Amazon, then I can go for Flipkart, then I can go for Myntra. Understood, right? One person having the different behavior. You can see many things are common here. The features are common, but bit implementation is different. So if you will go for registration page for Amazon, you can see how it looks like. If you will go for new customer, here we have a new customer, right? So what is the polymorphism? One person, e-commerce is your superclass type, and we have a subclass type is your Amazon, Flipkart and Myntra. Hope you are understanding my point, but this is just I'm giving you the introduction, and all the topics we will discuss one by one in the depth and with the programming example. Okay, so in this video just I have given the example of up concept. If someone will ask you what is the up concept, then you can explain this all the terminology, but coming session we will discuss one by one all the concept with programming example. So if you are new in the channel, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new video notification. See you in the next video, guys.